Hello friends, I'm Dr. Vivek and today I'm going to discuss about psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis is a very important theory in literary criticism and literary theories. This is what is all about that we try to understand. Let's get started. According to concise Oxford Dictionary, psychoanalysis is a form of therapy which aims to cure mental disorder by investigating the interaction of conscious and unconscious elements of the mind. So these are two elements of mind, conscious and subconscious mind, unconscious mind, according to Oxford Dictionary. And it theory tries to investigate the unconscious part of the mind. The classic method of doing this is to get the patient talk freely so that the repressed fears and conflicts are brought from unconscious mind to the conscious mind. So in this method, the classic method is that the patient is freely talk about the repressed fears, and this conscious part is revealed through this procedure. This practice is based on the scientific theories developed by Austrian psychologist Sigmund Freud. The important name here in psychoanalysis theory is Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud talks about this all theories related to psychoanalysis. All Freud's works depend upon the notion of unconscious mind, which is a part of mind beyond consciousness, but has a strong influence on our actions. According to Freud, all the repressed desires, the mind's unconscious mind is had a great impact on the conscious actions. Linked with the idea of unconscious is the idea of repressing. Repressing here indicates forgetting or ignoring the unresolved conflicts, unadmitted desires, or the traumatic events. Uh, these repressed items are forced out of unconscious awareness to the realm of consciousness. So here, the unconscious desires, repressed, unlimited desires, unresolved conflicts, and traumatic events are brought forth to the conscious mind. A relative or similar process is sublimation, where the repressed material is promoted into something grand or disguised as something noble. For instance, sexual urges may be sublimated into strong religious longings. So, a process in which sublimation, in which the your repressed desires, unresolved conflicts, traumatic events comes out in something grand, something, something disguised, or sometimes in the strong religious longings. A person is too much involved, such person too much involved in religious longings, in religion. Freud has given three-part model of human psyche: the human mind, id, ego, and superego. It is the human psyche, human mind is always attracted towards take the decision through the pleasure. That is called id, the unconscious part. Ego is the conscious part that balances what is good, what is bad, uh, that try to balance between the good and bad. And superego is the morality part. The person's human psyche is more influenced by the morality and is the conscious, what is conscious part it is, conscious part. Libido, which is the energy drive associated with sexual desire, the libido in the individual is a part of a more generalized drive, which Freud calls eros, which roughly means the life instinct. Libido is a life instinct. Dream work, the interpretation of dreams, written by Sigmund Freud in 1899, very important seminal work in psychoanalysis theory. A dream work includes two processes, displacement and condensation. How you interpret dreams, how you understand dreams, that is, some of the elements are, some of the concepts are, has been described in interpretation of dreams. First is displacement. Displacement is the process in which one person or event is represented by another, which is in the same some way linked or associated with the original person or event. This association may be because of similar sound or word or some other kind of symbolic linkage. So in displacement, the person has, for example, you have conflict with some person. So in dreams, you will find you are struggling, you are fighting with some another person. So it is a personal displacement. Condensation is a number of people, event, meanings combined and repressed by a single image in a dream. In a dream, you find many persons, many conflicts, many events are combined in a one situation or in a one person. So that is called condensation. You condense many events, many persons in a one person. So these are the some of the important terms which is related to psychoanalysis. If you want to read more, you have to go to the theories related to psychoanalysis. As I told you, Peter Barry, Beginning Theory is an important book in understanding all these literary theories. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching.